Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Calling a .NET DLL, dynamic link library, in Python can be achieved using the pythonnet package, which provides a bridge between Python and .NET. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process with a step-by-step explanation and code examples. First, you need to install the pythonnet package. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you have a simple .NET DLL written in C#. Create a new C# project in Visual Studio or any other C# development environment. Here's a basic example. Build the project, and you should get a DLL file, ExampleLibrary.dll. Now, let's create a Python script that uses the pythonnet package to call methods from the .NET DLL. Replace path / to ExampleLibrary.dll with the actual path to your ExampleLibrary.dll. Save the Python script and run it using a Python interpreter. You should see the output. Congratulations! You have successfully called a .NET DLL in Python using pythonnet. Note, make sure to use the correct paths and namespaces according to your specific project structure. Additionally, if your .NET DLL relies on external dependencies, ensure that those dependencies are accessible to the Python environment. ChatGPT.